Hey guys, Kevin here, and in this video, Overland 4Lo is exploring Bee Canyon and San Jacinto Ridge Truck Trail. Both of this trail is rated easy from Trailsoffroad and is located in Hemet, California. Today we have a caravan of 9 rigs, so we'll be splitting into 2 groups. Nipoj and Lost Lad, aka Frank, will be leading these 2 convoys. This run was organized by Mick, the guy in the white disco. Here is the trailhead coordinates for Bee Canyon Truck Trail. From our GPS, this run is approximately 23 miles long, from trailhead coordinates all the way to 243 Pine Cove Highway. As you can see, it is easy, flat and sandy roads. Also, you will see some shooting areas on the left side of the canyons. This is a highly trafficked area, so if you guys plan doing this trail in a big group, I suggest you guys to space out just in case you encounter any incoming traffic. So let me introduce today's lineup. So we have Nipoj leading the way, the owner of 4122 Off-Road. Make sure you guys check out his Hitch sliders. Then we have Manny on his Tacoma. Following Manny is we have Mr. Lee. Lee sells rock sliders for the Toyota lineup, but also custom makes for any vehicle. His website is not yet, but when he does, I will link his website in my description. Then we have Mr. Hugo on his Jeep Wrangler TJ, followed by Jacek on his Tacoma. For our second group, we have Lost Lad aka Frank and his Jeep Trailhawk. Then we have the Ponders on the Jeep Diesel Rubicon. And last we have Mick and his white disco. Also found an offshoot spot, and this is completely optional.
There you go. There you go. You got it. Woo! Oh, sorry. Go driver. 4Lo. Whoa. Nice. Good line. Good line, Frank. Woo! Show off, Frank. Passenger. Go passenger. Go passenger. Up. Straight out your wheel. Okay. All right.
That was fun.
I don't know where this is going. And look at that articulation, man. It's too easy. Middle line. Oh, middle line. Let's go. Wow, nice line. Oh, wow. That's how you should drive, man. Nice. Woo! Too easy for you, man. Woo! Oh. Good job. All right. Comments, any comments? Easy.
Roll down your window. I couldn't tell you. You can hear me. You want to go passenger more?
Passenger more?
Yeah, because you want to get on this rocket. Left tire on this rocket. Okay, now go driver now. Okay, go driver now. Good. Now straighten out. You've lost traction now. Well, go back down and go far right.
You have to go far right.
I know, but you wanted to go. I wanted to get on this rock here, but there's no way. All right. That's the far.
I am Jesus and highly recommend this ride. Boom, boom, boom.
Frank, what does Lost Lad mean?
Back in the 90s when websites and internet was still new, I had to design a website for the LA County Fair, so I had the email address, so I bought the domain and created the first website as test sites for the LA County Fair at lostlad.com. Once we went live, we bought LA County Fair, but I kept lostlad.com, and it's kind of always been my trademark, I guess.
10-4. That's interesting. Lee, you're the one who sells the sliders, huh?
Yes, I'm the one.
Oh wow, it's only for Toyota or which vehicles?
Any vehicle that wants to go off-road.
Nice.
You make them for discos? That's one gonna be a hell of a custom one. No love for the discos anyway. Ouch. I need a set for this Cherokee. Get a scanner. I'm gonna scan the vehicle so I can do the design faster soon.
We finally arrive at the creek. This is probably the highlight of the whole San Jacinto Ridge Trail. This is a nice spot to take a break and do some water crossing.
wiper on. Yeah. Woo. Show off.
Just a few hundred meters from the water crossing, you will find a yellow post campsite. Just a friendly reminder to my outdoor enthusiasts, always be responsible when off-roading and leave no trace. Luckily, we made a detour here and was able to put out the fire that the previous campers left behind.
Alright guys, we are airing back up. You see Frank over here taking videos. I want to say thank you to this guy for organizing the trip.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks, Mick.
That was pretty fun, eh? I think next time Jesus will definitely need to be here. And
Jesus. It's a joke now, huh?
Yeah,
Jesus.
She was like, he sounded like a news anchor when he was doing it.
It's like, thank you for leading the second part of the
it was a lot of
second
fun.
group.
Thanks for getting all this organized.
Thanks, man. Thank you. Thank you for leading the first group.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much.
Absolutely. I think everybody had fun. It was nice and ruddy, so it wasn't too easy. It wasn't too tough.
Yeah, it's like
I think
moderate
everybody
trail,
had
huh?
fun. Yeah.
Moderate trail.
All vehicles came out unscathed, so that's a good deal.
Yep.
Yeah.
Thanks, Nipoj.
Absolutely.
We also have our badge of honor trails. General idea what you're selling?
Yeah, we rock slider for the Toyota lineup.
Okay.
So we got any design that you want. We can do custom made if you want to. We're also working on the skid plate, front and back, the whole belly.
Okay.
So,
Website coming up soon, right?
exactly, coming up soon.
Website.
Yeah.
Hopefully by the time I release this video, the website is up.
All good. Thanks,
Okay.
man. Thanks a lot for inviting us along on a great trip. We had fun.
Thank you for coming.
Our pleasure.
That's fun.
It's fun, huh?
A lot of fun. I like the trail. See you next time.
See you next time.
Thank you, Kevin.
She's helping out with the filming. Thank you, Vanessa.
And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate all the support you guys been given. Please don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, bye bye.